I am getting ready for my upcoming Caribbean cruise, and I thought it would be fun to share with you what I'm packing, especially the garments that I made myself. So today I'm putting together a me-made travel wardrobe. Hi everyone, my name is Karen and this is my channel KGFL Creations. Welcome to another episode of #FridaySews. Today's Friday Sews is going to be a little bit different. First, let's talk about what I'm wearing today quickly. This is one of my many classic tees. I made this last year, no, more than that, a couple of years back, and I have worn this t-shirt a lot. It's from a cotton jersey that I got from Hobby Lobby. I have more of that, so I should make another one so I can put this one to rest because this one is in a big rotation in my wardrobe. As I have been talking about a lot, my cruise is coming up. So I decided to share with you what I am packing for my cruise. So let's talk about the cruise. It is going to be a Caribbean cruise, so the weather is something that I have checked already, and it's something that I paid attention because that will dictate of what I bring with me on this cruise. And my goal is to be comfortable and pretty, but also I am trying to bring as little as possible so I don't have to bring a bunch of luggage with me, and something that I can mix and match. Well, I have separated here a couple of garments. Most of these are me-made. I think there's only one item in here that it's not a me-made. Let's start with embarkation day. I was thinking about going with my Gilbert top. This Gilbert top here, I was thinking of wearing. This is a ready to wear. I bought this a long time ago. This is not long pants. And it's not a capri, it's like a cropped pant. So I was thinking of doing white, white in my Gilbert top. But I did look for the weather on the day, and it might be raining. We'll see. If it's raining, I will not wear the white bottom. I will just wear a denim capri or denim Bermuda shorts like the one I'm wearing now, and I will wear my Gilbert top because I really like this top. It is very pretty. Another item that I have here as a bottom, I have my new Bermuda shorts. They're washed, ready to go. I did not iron it, but it came out of the wash just now, so I just hung it here so I can show it to you guys. This one is going with me, and this goes well again with this and all of my other tops, which I will show it to you. For daytime, I have 5 little tops here, and these go all very well with white here. I put this back here. This is the newest top, the Byron by Sinclair Patterns, the new one the last one that I made, blue here. This goes well with white and with denim. I am bringing denim Bermuda shorts, and I think I might bring also a capri. So this one goes well with that, and it's cotton, so it's nice for the hot weather. Next is one of my many Rhapsodies. This is, I think I made this like 2 months ago, maybe 3, I don't remember. And yeah, love this color. Very nice color. So this one is going. This is another sleeveless Rhapsody. You can see the theme here, sleeveless. Another one, I can wear this one during the day. I can also wear this one at night with some of the bottoms that I will show you. Another Rhapsody. here. You guys have seen this before. Another Rhapsody. This was a fabric from the Think Pink subscription box. It was a remnant. And the last sleeveless, guess what? Another Rhapsody. This is a black one, also a remnant from one of the fabrics from Beyond the Pink Door. This fabric, it's a little heavier, so I am not sure. This is on the list to go, but I'm debating on this one because it is a little bit heavier. But since the cruise, we have a couple of port calls and we have a couple of days at sea, so this could be maybe a day at sea top. We'll see. Now let me show you the dresses that I pulled, which I will wear only for dinner time. My husband is not crazy about going to the main dining room, so we kind of made an arrangement to half of the days go to the main dining room and half of the days go to the buffet. I'm hoping that he will change his mind and we will go most of the time to the main dining room, but we'll see. So I pulled a couple of dresses. This is one of my Rhapsody dresses. I have worn this dress only once on my birthday last year. I went out with the girls at work and I did wear this dress and I love this color. It is so pretty. So I am bringing this dress for the cruise. I am also going to bring this one here. This is a navy blue. This is a butterick, I believe it's a butterick pattern. I don't remember the number. I'll put it here if I find it. And it has the little ruffle here on the shoulders here above the arms, and it goes down to almost the waist, and it's a pretty little dress. So I'll be taking this one with me. And I did talk about this one that I made like 2 months ago, I believe. It's the fringe dress. It is a black dress. I will accessorize with something. I'm not sure what I'll bring for accessories, but I will wear this dress for dinner also. And one more outfit that my daughter told me, she's like, you should bring that one because you look so good in it. It is in my video intro. It's a pair of palazzo pants with a black t-shirt. So this is the palazzo pants. I believe this was a new look pattern that I made maybe 2 years ago. This here with the black t-shirt. This goes very well. And a belt and black sandals. So this is to go. I am not positive that this will go. I'm thinking about it because this does not go with anything else. And yeah, so I don't know. This is on the fence. Now for pants, I took from my closet 3 pair of pants. One is a white pair of pants. This is my ginger jeans here, ginger jeans. And this ginger jeans goes very well with this top here. This is a pattern Emporium top. I forgot the name of it. I'll put it down so you guys can see it. Goes very well with white. It is a longer sleeve because I'm afraid it could get a bit chilly in the inside in the cruise, maybe in the dining room or something. And also I also have this one here. I believe this is either Simplicity or Butterick. I don't remember. I'll find out and I'll put it for you to see, and it goes well with white. I also pulled 2 black pants because black goes with everything pretty much, right? And I pulled this is my Parker Ponte by Parker Ponte pants by Sinclair. No, not Sinclair. Style Art Patterns. Yes, the Ponte washed, and it's here to go, and it matches with pretty much everything that I have there. And this is my closet core. Again, I forgot the name of everything. Should have done my homework before I showed it to you, right? But I'll put it so you can see it. This is a cropped pair of pants. It's a linen pair of pants. And so I pull these out to see which one I will bring. I am not sure, because I think I might just bring one, not both. Don't need 2 pair of pants, right? 2 black pants. Yeah, that's a bit too much. And I'm trying to put things together so I can mix and match. Maybe I can wear it twice like the dresses. If we decide to go to the main dining room another night, I can wear a dress again. Nobody's gonna remember, right? I don't think so. As long as if it's nice, if it's still clean, it is okay. And everything else should mix and match with white, black, or denim. So that is all that I pulled from my closet, all of my me-made wardrobe. Hopefully everything will fit in my luggage. We'll see if that happens. Maybe I might change one thing here or there, but pretty much I think that's what's going. Nice and colorful. I like color. There's some white, there's some black. Yes, so hopefully everything will be okay. I'm hoping that the weather will help, that I can wear my white pants with my Gilbert top on Embarkation Day. I'll cross my fingers that that will happen. If you liked this video, can I ask you to please hit that like button below, and if you can also subscribe, it will mean a lot to me. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time I upload a video. I will see you when I come back from vacation. Bye.